Just got my medication, so. Went to Walgreens. Went to Walgreens and got some stuff.